Uncle Dave and I are getting ready to get in the water here. We're somewhere south of the resort. We just were in the cenotes, but now we're getting ready to get out, show a picture here of the ocean. We're getting ready to get in there and swim with the sea turtles. So, you know, wish us luck. That looks like a lot of people out there in the water. Alright, that's good enough for now. Catch you guys in a bit. Peace. So, post-game interview, what did you manage to see, Dave?
I saw, I don't know, a bunch of turtles. I saw some fish.
Like a pufferfish or something?
Yeah. I saw a stingray too.
You saw the giant stingray?
Not a, I saw a smaller one.
Oh, Lord, the stingray, it was like 4 feet long.
Yeah, I didn't see that one.
I mean, they look bigger in the water, right? You know, fish tails. But we did see a stingray, some turtles, some fish, and tuckered ourselves out and swallowed a little bit too much seawater.
Way too much.
Way too much seawater. Right.
But we earned our business.
Definitely. Only one more.